Greetings, folks. Joseph Kursky here with you, your instructor in week 13 of our Mapping Our World course. Week 13. We will focus on ArcGIS Online, which is a cloud-based geographic information systems software platform running in the cloud, so software as a service, with data services, data streaming in to ArcGIS Online, with analytical tools and ways that you can make mapping applications, as you'll see in the following week. But for this week, we're going to focus on analysis and smart mapping. Now, aren't all maps smart? Well, okay, we can talk about data quality issues and that sort of thing. The particular phrase smart mapping has to do with when you add a data layer inside ArcGIS Online, what's called smart mapping kicks in, and it looks at your data type. Points, lines, polygons, images, whatever. And it looks at the number of categories that you've got in that data and the classification that you might want to employ on that data. So it actually starts mapping it, and based on what you've got, it'll choose a symbology and a classification for you. Now, you could override the default, and I hope you will, but it takes a smart mapping approach. It says, okay, let's say you've got population density or ecoregions or biomes or energy sources or mining activities or migration or whatever, and it'll say, okay, here's your symbology that I've chosen based on some algorithms, and then you can either accept it or modify it. And both are powerful. Both are powerful. Another thing you can do inside this ArcGIS platform is you can map more than one variable at a time using a variety of techniques that you'll dig into just a little bit in this particular week. You can also write what's called arcade expressions to say, I want this variable divided by this variable multiplied by 100, let's say, to get a proportion. So there's lots of powerful things you can do in this ArcGIS Online Geographic Information Systems platform. And we're going to dig into some of these here. You're going to look at a variety of data, including voting and other data, to dig into why maps are more than just reference documents. They are analytical tools, and we can analyze real issues with these maps. So remember, you've got power to change the symbols, to change the scale, to change the projection, to change the classification method, to change the colors, to change what you're mapping and how many layers you want to have in a particular map that you want to use as a communications device to tell people about the research project or the issue that you're looking at and examining. So smart mapping is really the focus of week 13. I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be fun because you're really going to get into the heart and soul of a geographic information system in this particular week, week 13. I know my way around, I make all kinds of maps. I know my UTM, I know my lat and long. We'll see you in week 13. Thanks.